Hello everyone. Today is August 2nd, 2018. This is going to be a short video on the signals and orders for today at DayTradeToWin. I'm going to add the signals and the software to my chart as any of our traders would do on their own on their computers. So if I right click here on the chart, I have here all of the indicators, and I'm going to add the at the open to and configure it based on the rules and the training that's included with the software, so you understand how and what time we have to start the calculations for the software to begin. And so when I click here, OK, today's signal for the at the open was a long at 28.02. And as long as you look at the current conditions, which happens to be roughly about 2.5 points, 2 3/4 of a point, the target was made. But remember, always use a stop and always use a specific target to get out of the trade. So very quickly, the target was made today. And if you want to trail a stop after that, you have that option. As far as the Atlas line is concerned, it really does work in the same way. Let me just remove that. Right click on the chart, choose indicators, and today's signal, August 2nd, for the Atlas line. If I come down to the DayTradeToWin suite of indicators, and these indicators that you're seeing here for DayTradeToWin are included with mentorship. I'm only going to show and describe the at the open to as well as the Atlas line. So I'm going to click here in the Atlas line. Again, it's the same thing. There is training, about an hour, hour and a half of live training with the Atlas line that's included, as well as a pre-recorded video that explains how the Atlas line works, the rules, the stops, the targets. Remember, to calculate this, you have to have the correct time zone in which you live in. And when I add the Atlas line software, the signal to go long was 28.03/4, which is this candle right here. So on the same candle, you have a long trade as well as the at the open giving you a long. I always believe that as long as there's nothing stopping you from taking the trade, then the trade should be good to go. But if you have any conflicting evidence that there's a short signal contrary to this long signal, then you wait. Wait until it's clear. You don't have to take every signal. You have to make sure that the signals are clear. And in this example, again, the target was made. And then we may have a pullback and strength trade as the market continues higher, and the software will continue to plot that as we move forward. So I wanted to give you a demonstration of how to add the software, both Atlas line and at the open, to the chart and the signals for today, August 2nd, that the software produced. If you have any questions, please email us at support@daytradetowin.com. A new mentorship class begins on August 14th. You can get all the details at daytradetowin.com. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye now.